In our last episode, we left the lawman and the Daywalker in a standoff. But the environment is changing. The silence of the facility is gone. We've hit part 4 of the crossover series, and things are officially escalating. The cryo-chambers are cracking under the pressure of this battle. Notice the ravens in the background? They aren't just a detail. They're the beginning of a massive shift in our story. Watching this take shape on the wood, you really see the intensity. It's not just a fight, it's the collision of two completely different sci-fi worlds. One is a lawman from a peaceful future, the other is a hunter of the undead. The facility is falling apart, and the real chaos is just beginning. Who do you think survives the fallout? Let me know in the comments. And hit that subscribe button, the finale is coming.